Hello YouTube. Today I will attempt to regulate my Vostok Komandirskie watch. I've noticed that it runs about plus 35-40 seconds a day, and I will attempt to do it to regulate it so it would run closer to zero. How successful will I be? I have no idea. I have never done it before, and as you can see, those are the tools I will be using in order to open the case back and get to the regulating mechanism of this movement. I will open the case back right now, and will bring that closer to the camera, and will attempt to show that to you. As I said, I've never done it before. That will be my first experience. Okay, and you will be able to observe that. Okay, now using this case back opening tool, I pre-loosened the case back, and now we will unscrew it completely like this. Looks like the ring can come out now, and so is the case back. There you go. This is the first time you and I are looking at, well, I am looking at the movement of the Vostok watch. As you can see, it's a brand new watch. If you've seen my video before, you know that I just purchased it, and I've never opened that before. So by using this toothpick, we will the mechanism to regulate it is located over here, and by watching the videos on YouTube, I learned that we should never touch this lever here. This is the one that requires we need to use to move the pointer over here that is currently pointing to more or less to the zero, counterclockwise to slow down the watch, and clockwise to make it work faster. As you can see, there's minus and plus here for that reason, but we need to do that in very tiny strokes. Okay, just a second. I'll try to bring it even closer to the camera so you could see that properly. Okay, here it is. What we need to do is to move. See this pointer here? It points right now to almost exactly in middle, and in this direction, if we move it to counterclockwise, it will slow down the watch. If we move clockwise, it will speed it up a little bit. This will be my second attempt of doing that. I moved that just a hair, just a hair thickness. This lever over here, I moved it once already from plus to minus, and even though it was a minute touch of that lever, nevertheless it went from plus 35 seconds to minus 25. Right now I will attempt to move this lever here in opposite direction, clockwise, in order to rectify that. hopefully I will do that very carefully and just a touch. Okay, I touched it. Let's see how much I moved. I hope it's not much. I will use my magnifying glass. To be honest, I don't even notice the difference right now, but I will not do anything else. I do hope that I did touch that and moved it, that lever, and moved it clockwise, just a hair touch, just a, you know, less than the thickness of the hair. That's all I needed there. Otherwise it will go totally wrong. And right now we will put the case back on the watch. As you can see, it goes like this into those slots, one and the other. These slots here and here. Let me move it so I can show you where the slot is. Here, that slot is, and the other one is on top there. There's another one there. Okay, and we will screw in this ring here. I will do that just to secure the movement and everything, but I will not be doing that very tight, just a little bit. So if I do need to do another adjustment later on, I could do it. There, that's enough. Okay, and that is our watch here. Right now I would need to connect my link here of the bracelet with the clasp, and I will do that off the camera because it may take several tries. Okay, thanks. Okay, that was all I needed to do. I put the case back on the watch. I've adjusted the watch to the other one, the other quartz piece that I have here that runs, you know, with just plus minus 1 second per day. And I will be wearing this watch now for at least 24 hours, and we'll see if it runs any better. If it does, great. If not, we would need to repeat the procedure that we did today, one way or the other, and that way, by trial and error, we will eventually get it running precisely, or as close to precise condition as we can. Okay, all right. If you liked what you saw just now, great. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye bye.